Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, it is important to know that I'm here to help you prepare for your IELTS speaking exam with tips, strategies, and sample answers. In today's video, we're going to dive into an important cue card topic that many of you might get in the exam. I'll be sharing a well-structured response that you can use as a guide to prepare your own answer. So, if you're aiming to score high in the speaking section, make sure to watch till the end and don't forget to take notes. Please subscribe our channel for latest cue cards.
Describe a person you know who often helps others. You should say who this person is, how you know him, her, how she helps others, and explain how you feel about this person. My older cousin Priya is someone I genuinely admire for constantly lending a helpful hand to others. She is a social worker with an NGO that helps disadvantaged kids, and she is about 30 years old. She frequently came to our home for family gatherings and festivals, so I've known her since I was a young child. I've watched her change over the years from an ordinary student to someone who is totally dedicated to changing society. Priya is so sensitive and gentle. She is the kind of person who can't overlook someone in need, be it a neighbor in financial trouble, an old person having trouble crossing the street, or a street kid. Her NGO provides educational supplies, free tuition lessons, and even health checkup camps for children living in slums. She organizes food distribution campaigns or volunteers at orphanages on the weekends. She is always among the first to gather donations or raise money, even during catastrophes or natural disasters. Even more admirable is the fact that she doesn't assist people in order to gain attention or recognition. She actually cares, which is why she does it. I can recall a specific instance that really affected me. A fire destroyed the possessions of a low-income family in her neighborhood. Priya took care of gathering groceries, clothing, and cash for them right away. She even assisted them in locating temporary housing. Seeing how her efforts gave a family in difficulty hope was heartwarming. I adore Priya because she inspires myself and others to make tiny contributions, like educating a child, giving away used clothing, or just being kind. Her deeds have shown me that all it takes to help people is a huge heart. You don't need to be wealthy or well-known. To sum up, I'm extremely honored to know someone like Priya. In addition to inspiring me, her altruistic demeanor and commitment to serving others serve as a reminder of the value of compassion and humanity. I think there should be more people like her in the world.
And that's it for today's session. I hope you found this video helpful and that you're feeling more confident. Remember, practice and the right guidance are the keys to success. And if you want personalized coaching to boost your scores, you're welcome to join my classes. I offer both online and offline OET, IELTS, CD IELTS, CELPIP, PTE, TOEFL training sessions, where you'll get complete support for writing, speaking, reading, and listening modules, along with detailed feedback and tips. Whether you are starting from scratch or aiming for a higher grade, I can help you reach your goal faster. To know more or to book your seat, just check the link in the description or send me a message on the given contacts. I would love to help you succeed. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for more helpful learning material. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you soon, either in the next video or in my class.